Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide Voice Memos app and content in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Voice Memos. In Voice Memos, go down and tap on Siri and Search. Now, if you do not want Voice Memos to appear in Siri and Search, you can tap on Show App in Search. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, to hide it, or to show the app, you can switch it on. If you want to hide or show the app content, you can tap on Show Content in Search. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the show content in Search. At the top here, learn from this app, you can tap on that to switch it on. When this is turned on, you allow Siri to learn from how you use Voice Memos to make suggestions across apps. Lastly is suggestions, so you can allow or don't allow suggestions of Voice Memos on the home screen, Suggest app, and in Suggestion notifications. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.